How to create Instagram account. How to create your Instagram account. Make sure that you keep till the end of this video so that I will show you exactly how you will be able to do it by yourself to create your Instagram account. Let's go first in Instagram. So before going in Instagram, make sure that if you are reaching and if it's your first time to view this channel, make sure that you subscribe on this channel and put the like on top of this video. So let's get in on Instagram so that I will show you exactly how you will be able to do it. So after reaching on Instagram, if you don't have any account on Instagram, so the first thing that you have to do to create your account, you will click down here, create new account. So after reaching on this point on this place, Instagram will allow you to set your name. If you have a name, put your name on this particular place. So in this particular case, I will put my name, Chris. So you will click to next to going forward. So waiting till the next page will change. After clicking on the next page, here on this particular place, Instagram will allow you to create your password. So make sure that you put the password that you will remind as small possible. So in this particular case, I will use this. So after typing your password, you will click to next to going forward. Here in this particular place, you will set your birth and your month date. So I will select in this particular case July 11 2000. So after I'm selecting your date and the birth, so click on set and you will click on next. In this particular case, Instagram will allow you to add your surname. So use username. I will write once again Chris as my username. Instagram tell me that this particular username is not available. So to make sure that you are using a available username, to make it become available, I can add a number front of him. As you can see, this username is now available, so I can go to the next page by clicking to next. Try to make sure that you are typing a available username. If you don't type available username, you won't be able to going forward to the process of creating your Instagram account. So make sure that you type in the right username so that you will be able to do it by yourself. So click now to the next to go to the next page or to the next level. After reaching this particular place, what is your number phone? So make sure that you enter the right number phone, because this number phone that you are entering right now, it will help you in case that someone hack your Instagram account, to take it back to the one that hacking. So make sure that you enter the right number phone on this particular case. So in my case, I will enter my own number phone. So do it by yourself, by your side. So after typing your number phone, try to click to the next page. Yeah, this password match your exist account. You can log in exist account or use different password to create a new account. Create the new account. So in this particular case, I want to help you out. I want to help you out to create a Instagram account. So I will click to agree. You too do it by your side. You will agree the Instagram police to going forward. So wait now to reach on the next page. Yeah, in this particular place here, Instagram will allow you to set your picture, your profile picture. So add it. If you want to add it, just click on add down here, add a picture. So you can be able you have two possibilities right here. You can directly take a picture with your phone, or you can choose one picture in your gallery or in your memory phone. So in this particular case, I will choose one particular picture in my phone. So to doing that, you allow Instagram to get in your photo. So let's go in my phone, so that I will choose one particular picture to set it on my Instagram account. So I have a couple of pictures on my phone, so I will use only one picture. So after choosing your picture, as you can see, this point will appear. You will click to open. As you can see, here is the picture. Instagram has set it automatically. So after doing that, you will click to done, so to go into the next page. And you have the possibility to edit your picture, but in this particular case, I don't want to waste my time on that. So I just want to show you how the process to create your own Instagram account. So as you can see, get the Facebook suggestion. You can find people you know from Facebook account to continue. So in this particular case, I don't want to do it, so I will skip it. You can do it by yourself. In this particular case, I don't want to follow friend now, just to create my account. Sync on your account with your friend. So you can sync on your account with your friend. In this particular case, in this particular case, I just want to show you how to create an Instagram account. I will skip this particular place. So here is my account. Here is my username. Here is my picture. Here is my name, Chris. So skip it. I don't want to share my profile to with anyone. So let's going forward. Instagram, in this particular place, we send you some friends that you can start by follow them. So to follow someone here, you will click to follow. In this particular case, I will choose only 2 people to follow, so that I will show you exactly how you will be able to do it. So without wasting time, I will follow this first one and this second one. So after doing that, follow all the people that you are knowing. You click on this particular arrow on top. So now here is my Instagram account that have been created. Here is I have following 2 people. So as you can see, I hope this video was helpful. So make sure that you put the like and subscribe to my channel for more video. See you on the next video, man.